All right, guys, it is last minute. I have not put a video out in forever. We have been thrashing non-stop on this here Duct Tape Queen. I brought in a ringer. We're going to give it hell or high water. This car will do something cool. I promise you that. We have done a lot of upgrades since our last video. We got our new header on. We've got the big 1400cc Supercharger on. We have left the headlight out. We done spark plugs. I still got to do an oil change before we go. We have re-gotten new tires again on all 3 of the 4 corners. It is as much of a sharpened pencil as I can possibly make it for this go-round, and we're going to give it hell. I brought in the best ringer I could in the 8-time track champion crew chief, my dad. So between James, me, my dad, my brother, we've all been over here thrashing on this thing non-stop, and we'll see what she can do tonight. If you're in local to Bradenton, come on out to the Freedom Factory. Come say hi. Yes, the car is naked. Don't worry, it will have its stripes on. It will continue to be the Duct Tape Queen for this big event. I am so glad Cleetus lets me run out and run at that track. It makes my heart jump with joy that my father was able to come down, help me out with this, and get to see me make a lap in this here 4-cylinder Toyota. So, guys, keep an eye out on the channel. Hopefully, something cool happens. It'd be a miracle if we won, but you know, lightning can strike. I got a CTSV before. I've gotten some Mustangs before. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. Go watch on baldeagle.com. Stand by on the channel for updates from us later on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Catch you later. All right, guys, we're sitting here in line for the Spectator Drags. We got the duct tape back on the Queen, at least partially. I may have missed a little bit. Hopefully we'll get it on before the big show. But, you know, we're here to have some fun. We brought a pencil to a battleship fight. Dad's been admiring all the race cars that people have brought out because they ain't all street cars, I promise you. But I'm not here to complain about it. I'm here to have fun. You know, when you put big money on the line, people are going to bring things to win the big money. And I brought a daily driver. So I'm going to have some fun. Dad gets to take a lap with me in the car for the parade lap, which makes me really happy. So I'll take you guys along. Me and this car have been through a lot. We've been back and forth from California 3 times. You know, I've got a long history. I've had this car since '08. Pretty much my 20th birthday present to myself was this car. So, you know, bringing her here is risky. It's risking it for the biscuit, but you know what? It's what I like to do. It's what I bought this car for all that years ago. My good buddy Fox owned it. He gave me a heck of a deal when he bought a race car, and I told him I'd turn this into my race car. Well, here we are. We're at the Freedom Factory. We're gonna race, and I'm gonna do it in front of my dad. That's the key. That's the highlight of this video. I don't know if you guys are in any kind of a predicament with your family, but get right with them if you can. If they're toxic, I understand. I'm not meaning to force you. But if you haven't talked to your parents in a while and you like them still, reach out and give them a call, please. They ain't around real long. And I've been dreaming of this since I was in diapers. There's pictures in my baby book of me trying to do the oil change on the original '89 Toyota. It was a '69 Corona. Boy, let me tell you what, I would have eaten my left big toe to drive that car. Things change. This is my '89, and we're gonna make it run. I'm gonna do it in front of my dad. I just hope she does it. I brought a pencil to a battleship fight. but you can get lucky. Someone's got to win the lotto once in a while. I'm hoping that's me tonight.
This type of racing, if you're clear of the person, you can take their lane, but you have to stay in your lane if he's like edging you out. So as long as I can get in front of him, I can slide down into his lane, take the perfect racing line, hopefully hold him off.
All right, we got Andrew.
Celica?
Oh, sorry, yeah.
I think it's a Celica, right? An F body. Number 89, brother. Rev that thing up. Come on. That's what I like to see. Here we go. Here we go. Camaro may have a slight advantage here.
All right, to the racers in the back, if you did not win your race, go ahead and line up. We're going to run you while we're getting the winners in line. So you're going to give you another chance to come out here and make a lap as this Camaro takes the Celica to the bank.
Camaro with the W. Easy win. I think we still have several cars in this first round. All right, Camaro's running real good. Good.
Mm-hmm.
sponsors bracket. I'm not buying back.
Okay, yeah, just go park until we're ready.
All right.
Camaro may have a slight advantage here.
All right, to the racers in the back, if you did not win your race, go ahead and line up. We're going to run you while we're getting the winners in line. So you're going to give you another chance to come out here and make a lap as this Camaro takes the Celica to the bank.